How to solve percentage questions quickly. All you have to do is take a look over here. 1 of is times. So 1 times 6. All you have to do, your answer will be 6. 20% of 70. Same thing over here. First digit, 2. Of is your times. First digit, 7. 2 times 7, you have 14 itself. Next, 70% of 80. First digit 7. Of is your times. 80 is your 8. 7 times 8, 56. So when can we use this percentage trick itself? First, you can use it when you have a 2-digit by 2-digit. So what I mean is that, for example, 10% of 50. Okay, answer you'll get 1 times 5. You get directly the answer to be 5 itself. Secondly, you can use it when you have a 1-digit by 3-digit itself. So for example, 9% of 500. So how to get it? 9 of you times 5. Answer you'll get 45. Lastly, you can use it for 3-digit by 1-digit itself. So for example itself, %300 of 8. You'll be able to tell me what's the answer? Next up, so how do we solve percentage questions? For example, number 1, we have 10% of 60. How to go about? 10% is actually 10 over 100. Of, we have your times 60. So fractions on top and below we can cancel. So we can cancel 0, cancel 0. Diagonally, we can also cancel 0. So 0 and 0. Answer will be 1 times 6, you'll get 6 itself. Number 2, how about 20% of 70? Same thing, 20%, 20 over 100, of you have your times 70. So same thing, on top below you can cancel 0 and 0. Diagonally you can cancel 0 and 0. Answer you're left with 2 times 7, which is 14. Next, how about 70% of 80? What will you get?